The world of technology is loud. It is a world of grand announcements, bold promises. Companies race to declare their dominance, to shout about the future they are building. Amidst this noise, one company chooses a different path. It chooses silence. Apple does not rush to the stage. It does not boast about unfinished work. It waits. It plans. This quiet approach has been noticed. It has been questioned. People wonder if Apple has fallen behind, if its silence is a sign of weakness. But Apple's silence is rarely empty. It signals careful preparation. A strategy unfolding in the shadows. This deliberate pace is not an accident. It is identity. Apple moves when it has something complete, intuitive and essential. Others stumble in haste. Apple observes. It studies the landscape. It learns from mistakes. The playbook isn't to be first. It's to be right. Integrate new tech so seamlessly that users feel benefits without thinking about complexity behind the scenes. The art of making difficult appear simple. A skill honed for years. Tension builds every cycle. The same questions echo. Where is Apple's answer to large language models? How will it compete in the generative age? No grand proclamations. Answers arrive in updates, subtle software changes, quiet hardware improvements, not broadcasted from a stage, but methodically built, line by code, piece by piece. Inside secure walls, the silence is a calm before an orchestrated storm. The story isn't in jargon, it's in the products themselves. In the way, a photo is sharpened, a message is drafted, a question answered, not a war of words or raw power spectacles. The goal is trust, intelligence embedded in daily life, indispensable. This is a long game, a marathon, not a sprint. Slow, steady, and silent progress toward victory. The foundation isn't software. It is something you can touch. It is silicon. For years, Apple designed its own chips to control its destiny. Once risky, now the greatest advantage. The M series. From M1 to the M3 family. A monumental leap. Not just processors, complete systems on a chip, built for Apple software on Apple hardware. Synergy competitors can't replicate. At the core lies the neural engine. Built for machine learning, each gene exponentially more powerful. M3 is up to 60% faster than M1. That speed runs complex models on iPhone or on a Mac. Real-time translation, advanced image processing, predictive text almost instantly without sending data away. Hardware drives the ambition. Others rely on massive data centers. Apple puts power in your hand, not just a window. Computational devices, a local AI powerhouse. Distribution changes everything. More personal, more responsive, and more private. One word is shield and sword. Privacy. Not a slogan, a design principle. Perform AI on the device. The cornerstone of its promise. Your photos, your messages, your health stay with you. A radical departure from cloud-first norms. Users are more aware and more concerned. Local processing builds a fortress, a safe space for personal computing. Speed and reliability too. Nearly instantaneous results. No lag waiting for servers. Works even offline. On a plane or low signal. The intelligence is there. Not every task fits on device. Enter the hybrid model. Private cloud compute. Advanced cryptography protects data, even from the company itself. Cloud power. On-device assurances. Hardware provides power. Privacy provides foundation. Software makes it real. In 2024, Apple Intelligence. Not one monolith, many woven features. Deeply in iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Not a flashy chatbot, but useful tools. Faster, more creative. Custom Genmoji in seconds. Cleanup removes the noise. It understands your context without compromising privacy. A true personal assistant, expanding with each update. measured and thoughtful. A symphony across devices. Even Apple knows it can't do everything alone. Hardware and software remain core, but partnerships fill gaps. Large-scale Gen AI demands scale. Apple has models for on-device tasks. But for complex queries, leverage leaders. Pragmatic, user-centric. Siri can offer to pass a query with explicit permission. Apple is the gatekeeper. UI, experience, and privacy remain Apple-controlled. A flexible, future-proof ecosystem. The arena of giants, AI is the main event. Google, with scale and world knowledge. Microsoft, enterprise depth and partners. Their strategy, ubiquity. Apple's, privacy and craft. Cloud control or device control. Apple bets on AI that lives with you. The choice is clear.